has opened its 37th location right here in Harborview. Welcome to this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your new host, Chrissy. For the next half hour, it's all about interviews, music videos, and so much more. Your Pree Dis journey starts now. Better known as Ella Divina, plays the role Akeem Sharp in the new Jamaican film Sprinter. We caught up with him and he told us about his career and his role in Sprinter. Listen up.
You sure you want to do this?
I'm going to America to help our family.
What's the most exciting thing about being cast in the film?
Well, just being the lead. I think that's probably the best part about in the film, and then the fact that majority of the film resonates what's happening in my life right now. So I like that.
You said being the lead, but you are always the lead through your own social media series. What do you think the transition was like for you? And was it very hard, or was it something that was easy?
Well, nobody's going to refuse a lead role in a movie, that's one. So even if it was hard, I would have still taken the role. And in terms of the preparation, that was hard, because I had to do track and field again. I went to Kingston College, so I actually started training for track again, and then I had acting training, and then I had track training. But in all, it turned out to be fine.
Akeem, there's no shortcut. Not in track and field, not in life.
You are mentored somewhat by a big brother character. What was that relationship like?
Well, in the film, my brother is Kadeem Russell. He plays Jermaine. This is a very strong Jamaican actor. To me, apart from, I would want to say I gave the best performance. I think he gave the best performance. And there were a lot of strong actors. There were a lot, like David Alan Greer, Miss Lorraine Toussaint. And we had Brashear from Power, from Empire. Yeah, he's there as well. So I got a lot of help because the acting around was so strong. So it sort of rubbed off on me.
So far, Sprinter has received a number of awards. Were you surprised initially by the performance of the film?
Yes, because when I finished, because I had to do so much takes and stuff, because knowing how the director is, Storm Salter, he likes to get things perfect. So I didn't really know how to expect. I never know how to react when I see myself on the big screen for the first time. But when I watched it for the first time at the American Black Film Festival, that was when I was like, whoa, this is a big thing, And then I got the privilege to let Jamaicans to see it the other day. I went to London, and so far everywhere that we have been have had good receptions, So people love it.
Rasta rocking is a brand. So I make some money.
You're on a dangerous path. No man can outrun the choices he makes.
Yes, I would love to be in other Jamaican films. I actually want to be in more international films as well, because Sprinter actually took me overseas. So now I know what it's like yard and abroad. So I want to do more of that. To be honest, I just finished UE, so I have my degree now. I have a degree in international relations, but I want to do acting full time.
What was the experience like filming locally, and then how different was it being overseas?
Well, filming locally, in the US, it's way more organized, as in like time. It's a lot of time. In Jamaica, you don't really have control over the weather. In the US, in California, it's always sunny. In Jamaica, sometimes the rain will pause the production and stuff, so sometimes we have like a very small deadline to finish a lot of work. Yeah, so it's different. The actors get treated like, because it's in Hollywood, the film industry is like they pump a lot more money in it and stuff, so you get treated well in Jamaica, but not like what you expect to see when you go abroad.
Sprinter doesn't necessarily fall into the stereotypical Jamaican movie. Do you think that it was cleverly written in that it was able to break a number of those stereotypes? And do you hope to see more of those kind of movies?
Yes, Sprinter is very different, and that's credit to the director, Storm, because it's not stereotypical as to what we put on film, but it's a lot of what is happening in Jamaica right now. Because I am a biological child. My parents live abroad, my mother and father, and I am sure that there are a lot of persons whose parents are living abroad and they have to be sending money to take care of them.
What are the two most unique things about you?
My hair. I'm very driven. I like to get things done. I'm a very punctual person, and if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it, and if I put my mind to something, I will get it done.
Refreshing. Drinking water is very important. And thanks to Crystal Punch, here's another health benefit and an important reason why you should drink water.
This tip is brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Drinking water maintains regularity. Being regular is the result of a healthy digestive system, and drinking water helps your body digest everything that you eat. Water helps to break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients, and it also prevents constipation. This tip was brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
After the break, we head to Spanish Town to meet with Fire One Band, and we roll out a new music video from Hawaii. We'll be right back.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star.